Tomorrow, from tomorrow morning, don't forget tomorrow morning, take out a pen, take out a paper, take out your note taker in your phone, whatever it is. And throughout the day, I really want you to focus on what you're saying. And as you go through the day, I want you to really focus on any high frequency words, high frequency phrases that you're saying, and I want you to take note of them. Write them down on your phone, write them down in a notebook, whatever's easy, type them up on a computer. And as you get towards the end of the day, I want you to have a list of all the high frequency words and phrases that you're saying in English. Okay, we're not talking about te reo yet. See, the goal of this is really to identify for you personally, because you're going to be different to everyone else, identify what those high frequency words and those high frequency phrases are. Now that's the first step. I want you to cull that down. If you can, cull it down to 10 and focus on the top 10 things that you're saying every single day. Next step, go away and find the translation. I don't mean go away, literally go away.